How is the device reset to the factory settings? In order to return the ETS configuration data to the delivery state, a master reset can be performed. The following steps are necessary for this. Connect the device to 24-volt power. Disconnect the KNX bus from the device. Press and hold the programming button for 5 seconds until the error LED begins to flash. Keep holding the programming button. The error LED continues to flash while connecting the bus to the device. Then release the programming button. The device is restarted without ETS data and with the physical address 15.15.255. This subsequent ETS download activates the original passwords in the ETS configuration. After this first ETS download, the user is prompted on the website to change the ETS passwords. Please note, you will also have to set the security settings again after the master reset. A master reset does not change the IP settings of the device.